Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's video, I'm going to address how to easily reset Owlet Dream Sock. So in order to reset it, you just have to first unplug the Dream Sock base station and remove the sock. Then you need to press and hold the Dream Sock base station button while you plug the base station back in. Keep pressing the button until you hear the Dream Sock base station chirp 4 times. The light ring will change to blinking orange. Then release the button after the chirp is heard. Quickly press the base button station and 3 times. The base station will chirp 3 times in return. It's important to click the button while the ring is blinking orange, otherwise the Wi-Fi will not clear properly. So if successful, the Wi-Fi light on the bottom of the base station will not be illuminated and the base station will bounce green. So you need to press and hold the base station to turn off tracking in order to avoid receiving yellow and blue notifications. So basically this was the setting to reset Wi-Fi, but you can also do it to reset your OLED Dream Sock. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.